Welcome to the course. The goal of this class is to help you learn techniques to create stunning images to showcase your projects in your portfolio or to impress employers. This course tour video will guide you how our site is organized so you can get started right away. When you log in, you'll land on the home page. Here you'll find announcements that will change from time to time, so check back often. There's also a handy calendar to help you keep track of upcoming assignments and important dates. Plus, my contact information is right there if you ever have any questions. Now let's head over to the course content. That's where most of your materials will be. You'll notice a few modules are already open and ready for you. I suggest you dive into the Getting Started module first. You'll want to watch the course tour video, which you're doing right now, and then look at the syllabus and the syllabus review assessment. Now, no need to stress about the assessment. It's just a quick way to make sure you've read through the syllabus. And feel free to refer to the syllabus while you complete the assessment. Once you finish and submit the syllabus review assessment, you'll unlock the rest of the course modules. Going back to the table of contents, you'll find the Course Tools module. There are some helpful background resources waiting for you there. For example, if you need a refresher on how to unzip files or upload assignments to Talent, we've got 2 great videos that explain it all. Plus, we'll be using Photoshop in this course, so there's a handy PDF guide on how to install it. Most of you might already have it, but if not, we've got you covered. We'll also be working with SketchUp, and there's a PDF for its installation too, although I think practically all of you already have that. But if you do need to brush up on SketchUp, check out the guides we've provided. Lastly, there's a guide on installing Microsoft Office for students, just in case you haven't set that up yet, as well as a little PDF noting how you can get assignment notifications sent to your phone. Let's see now how the course will look after you complete the syllabus review assessment. As you can see, a few more modules have appeared. There will be a total of 6 modules to explore. Make sure to go through them one by one in order since they build on each other. But if you feel like diving ahead while you wait for a question to get answered, that's perfectly fine too. In Module 1, you'll notice a standard setup for all the modules. Each one includes an introductory paragraph that outlines what we'll cover, along with lecture files and videos. The lecture files are great companions to the videos. They are zipped files, packed with all the digital files you'll use in the lecture, plus a PDF of the PowerPoint itself, so you can easily follow along while watching the video. Just click to download, and remember you can check out the How to Unzip Files video in Course Tools if you need a hand with that. Under the lecture zip file is the video, which shows its length. The idea is to work through the lecture files while watching the video, and pausing the video as needed to understand the material. Doing this will really help you get a feel for the concepts. I recommend watching the video all in one go if you can. This way you'll see how much energy and time it takes to complete a project in Photoshop effectively. Now, as you follow along with the examples in the video, however, please don't stress out about making everything perfect. What matters most is that you understand how to use the tools and feel confident with the process. Whether you finish everything perfectly or not isn't the main thing while watching the video. It's about grasping the concepts and knowing that you can complete the project with a little bit more time if needed. Some techniques do take time, but keep in mind that the video's goal is to help you learn what to do and how to do it so you can apply that knowledge to your assignment. Now let's scroll down to the assignment. This is where you earn points for the class. Doing well on assignments shows that you've learned the skills we're aiming for. The assignment module has the description, which will give you a clear idea what the assignment is about, while the title indicates how many points can be earned. For this assignment, it is 1 point. You'll also find the due date and the last date the drop box is available. In this class, the due date is the recommended time to submit your work. but I understand you may want to submit it a little bit earlier or later since there is some flexibility. Just keep in mind that while you can submit after the due date in Talon, the available date is fixed. After that date and time, the drop box will close. So make sure you submit before then so I can give you credit for your work. If after reviewing the work, I feel that there might be something missing, I'll give it back to you to revise and resubmit so you can get the maximum points possible. Click on the assignment link and see how the assignment's set up. Each module assignment will have a short video along with a PDF that highlights some important points. You'll want to check them out. These resources will help you understand what to focus on and, just as importantly, what to avoid when completing your assignments. Once you've finished your work, simply drop your files here. And don't forget to hit that submit button. You'll receive an email confirmation once your submission goes through. To check on your submissions, just head back to the course content section and scroll down to Submission Review. Here you can see all your assignments and track what you've submitted, along with your grades as they get updated. We've also got a handy calendar to check on important dates. There's a Zoom option available for one-on-one meetings. We can set up a time to go over any questions you might have. Plus, there are other student tools available if you need them. Now let's talk about a good idea to help you set up for this class. One is to connect your laptop to a second monitor. Some students even connected theirs to their TV for a larger screen. Other students have also used a tablet or an iPad. They would use the tablet or iPad to view the lectures or the videos or reading assignments, while they use our laptops to work on the assignments. Lots of students find having two screens super helpful. I also recommend creating a dedicated folder on your laptop to keep all your files organized. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a little folder button. Click it, and it should look something like this. And scroll down to find the C drive. Click it. Once you're in the C drive, you can create a new folder. You can name it something meaningful to you. After you've created your folder, then right-click and drag it to your desktop. It'll create a handy shortcut right there, making it easy to get to the folder. It might also be a good idea to create a homework folder inside the main folder to keep everything organized, and that way finding files will be a breeze. That is the course overview. Looking forward to having you work through this and learning all about how to use Photoshop and SketchUp together. Hope you have a great semester.